Hello world, my name is Shashwath Hari, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Cybersecurity. Today, I'll walk you through a real-world cybersecurity incident, the MOVEit Transfer Data Breach, which occurred in May 2023 and involved a zero-day SQL injection vulnerability, officially tracked as CVE 2023-34362. We'll explore what happened, how the attackers exploited the vulnerability, and what went wrong from a security standpoint. Let's get started. MOVEit Transfer is a managed file transfer solution developed by Progress Software. It's widely used by governments, financial institutions, and large enterprises to securely transfer sensitive data between systems and users. Because of the critical data it handles, MOVEit is a prime target for cyber attacks. In this case, that target proved to be vulnerable. In May 2023, the adversary exploited a zero-day SQL injection vulnerability in MOVEit Transfer. The attack group behind the breach was CLOP, a known ransomware organization. They used the vulnerability to gain remote code execution, install web shells, and exfiltrate data from affected organizations, all without initial detection. Let's take a closer look at how the attack worked, based on CVE 2023-34362. It started with a specially crafted HTTP request that injected SQL into the back-end. This allowed the attackers to upload a web shell to the server, essentially a backdoor that let them interact with the system remotely. With remote access established, they moved on to exfiltrating sensitive data from the compromised servers. Several key security failures enabled this breach to succeed. First, input sanitization was lacking, a basic yet crucial defense that was missed. The web shell activity wasn't detected promptly, showing gaps in file integrity and behavioral monitoring. The system lacked strong upload file controls, which made it easier for the web shell to be planted. Based on this breach, here are some critical takeaways and recommendations for organizations using sensitive infrastructure. Timely patching is essential. Automate wherever possible. Use a web application firewall to catch abnormal requests before they reach the back end. Conduct regular code reviews and penetration testing to discover vulnerabilities proactively. Sanitize all user inputs, no matter how trusted they may seem. Implement strong monitoring tools to detect unauthorized uploads, new files, or suspicious server activity. The MOVEit breach in May 2023 was a textbook example of how a zero-day SQL injection can escalate into a massive data breach. The vulnerability allowed attackers to install web shells and steal sensitive data from trusted systems. At its core, the breach reflected multiple points of failure: poor input validation, lack of early detection, slow organizational response. Beyond the technical aspects, this breach showed that even well-established software can pose risks if security hygiene isn't continuously maintained. The MOVEit incident highlights the importance of layered security, fast patching, and constant vigilance. Lessons that are reinforced throughout this course. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.